Well, welcome back. Feeding the birds again. I hope you had a chance to try out my method for making scrambled eggs. And maybe even more exciting than that, did you check out Jesse's video on the science behind scrambled eggs? That man knows his stuff, let me tell you. Well, I thought we'd step it up a little today. Try something else. Don't forget to wash your hands. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Omelette.
Omelette who?
I'm gonna let you watch me make this, and then you can try it for yourselves at home. Okay, we needed all the same stuff as last time. So instead of making you watch me rummage through my drawers for it, I got everything out. But we're gonna start the same as we would have if we were making scrambled eggs. So you need a bowl, a fork, crack a couple of eggs, whip them up good, put your pan on, got your utensil, and if you've watched Jesse's video, you know that we need a little bit of fat in the pan. And I've also got some shredded cheese, and I found some bacon that I crumbled up. And you can put anything in your omelet you want. Don't let what I've chosen here limit your choices. If you like mushrooms, by all means put mushrooms in your omelet. If you like peppers or sausage or ham or whatever you want. And you don't necessarily have to have anything. It could be just cheese. Don't worry if you don't have shredded cheese. I'll show you what to do if you've just got the good old slice stuff for making grilled cheese. Well, once again, as you can see, our butter's starting to foam up a little bit, make some bubbles so we know our pan is at the right temperature. Pour your eggs in there. And this time, don't be so quick to stir them around. You really want those bottom ones to start cooking a little bit, setting a little bit, so that you can make yourself an omelet. Do you want another knock-knock joke? I didn't think so. So once you can see around the edge that it's starting to get lighter in color, so that it's starting to cook, you want to just gently move it out of the way and let the rest of the raw egg move in and take its place. If it doesn't flood in as quickly as you'd like to, you can also tip the pan a little bit. Just keep moving it out of the way in every direction. So you've got more and more cooked egg, less raw egg, and I think we're almost ready to go. I'm going to make sure it's loose all around the edge. This is going to be one of the ugliest omelets I've ever made. And it's time to put your ingredients in. There's a little shredded cheese, but as I said, if you don't have shredded cheese, just plop a couple of these puppies right on there. I'm going to have bacon on mine because, let's face it, what isn't made better with bacon? Then you want to get your utensil, whatever it is, underneath half of it, flip it over, turn your heat off. And now you sort of just want to let it sit there for a second, and the heat from the egg is going to finish melting the cheese that's in the middle. I've got my plate ready. Got my fork ready. Out it goes. And dinner's ready. Or breakfast. Or lunch. Okay, till next time.